Despite being eliminated from the Hockey Fives Pan American Cup without a victory, Technical Director of Jamaica's hockey program, Dr. Michelle Holt, says she's proud of the women's team. The nation's women went down 3-0 to second seed the United States in their quarterfinal game this afternoon.
The national women's hockey team ended their campaign at the Hockey Fives Pan American Cup after going down 3-0 to the USA on Thursday at the quarterfinal stage. The team previously went down 10-1 to number 1 seed Uruguay on Tuesday. Despite the loss, Technical Director Michelle Holt is pleased with the way the girls bounced back during what was a difficult campaign.
That they really fought, and we knew that they were the number 2 seed in the thing there. And after Wednesday's trashing, to come back and to show that we really have the quality to be called in the same sentences as USA, we're happy for that. The experience, you can't count how much we've gained from being able to play against teams like this all the time, and it can only get better.
Player Kareem Hudson hopes to carry the experience from the qualifiers to the CAC Games, which starts on June 23.
We're fortunate to have this opportunity. It's a great opportunity. This is a new format, Hockey Fives, that we're being introduced to. So when we go to CAC, we hope to apply what we have learned here playing against these teams and to maximize on our goal-scoring opportunities, which I think is the most crucial thing for us.
And the coach of the USA team, Rachel Dawson, says the Jamaicans gave them quality competition.
Jamaica really pressed hard in that first half and, kind of unsettled us a bit. They were first to the ball in the 50-50 situation. So I think we really had to the crowd brought some chaos. There was, so there was a lot of energy in the game, and I think that unsettled us a bit. And so the focus in that second half was really to become calm, cool, collected, see our passes, give them, take the sting out of the game. And we scored a couple goals, and that helped us to do it.
The nation's men will be in action in their quarterfinal on Friday. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.